Hello, welcome to Kling AI Grove, where we explore how AI turns ideas into creative images, videos, and sounds. This scene you're watching was created by Kling AI from just a single prompt. And this image, same thing. No editing, no film skills, just a prompt. Simply log in to Kling AI with your Gmail account and you'll instantly get 166 free credits to try it out. Today, I'll show you how to use Kling AI to create cinematic videos, animated images, and immersive soundscapes. Let's dive in. Let's start with video generation. Kling AI offers two options: text to video and image to video. You just enter a description, and Kling builds a complete scene with camera movement, lighting, and effects. Tips for better results: describe the subject, the scene divided by action, and the mood divided by lighting. Add cinematic touches like fog, neon lights, or slow motion. Example prompt: a cyberpunk scene of a futuristic motorbike racing through neon-lit streets. Low-angle camera pan, reflections on wet asphalt, smoke, and sparks in the air. After you type your prompt, you can adjust a few key settings before clicking Generate. Mode: choose Standard if you are on the free plan, or Professional for advanced motion and lighting. Professional requires credits or a paid plan. Duration: select either 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on how much motion you want. Aspect ratio: 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok or Shorts, or 1:1 for square posts. Outputs: decide how many results you want, from 1 up to 4. Creativity slider: move towards creativity for more artistic freedom, or towards relevance for higher accuracy to your prompt. Negative prompt: add things you don't want to see, like blur, distortion, grainy, to keep the video clean. Credits: you can also check how many credits are needed before generating. Once everything looks good, just click Generate and let Kling do the work. The first video often turns out surprisingly well. Next is image to video. This feature animates a still image. I tested it with a picture of transparent fruit and added this prompt: close-up of a crystal clear jelly fruit on a wooden board. A knife slices it slowly, with sparkling reflections and smooth motion. Relaxing ASMR vibe. You can use the motion brush to highlight areas to move, like the knife and fruit. The result looked just like a trending ASMR video. Every slice was satisfying to watch. Now let's move to image generation. Perfect for concept art, thumbnails, or backgrounds. Example prompt: an anime character in a hoodie standing in rainy Tokyo streets. Neon purple and pink lights reflecting on the ground. Mist, aesthetic TikTok vibe. Kling generated a cinematic still with vibrant colors and depth, like anime cyberpunk concept art. Next is sound generation. Kling creates soundscapes from text. Example prompt: ASMR festival sounds, fans cheering, energetic EDM beats, deep bass, confetti falling in the background. Kling generates 4 outputs. After previewing, the results captured the festival vibe perfectly. So what's the experience with Kling AI? Strengths: cinematic feel with natural motion. Professional style presets ready to use. One platform for all: images, videos, audio. Limitations: free plan is limited and render can be slow. Sometimes prompts are misunderstood. Kling AI is a practical tool that saves you hours of work with just a few clicks. This video is from Kling AI Grove. If you found it useful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.